Rachel.
Hi.
Hi. This is us eating grapes.
Oh yeah.
Sitting here, wondering what we're gonna do. That's the ribbon that we made Matt's bracelet on. You know, this cool little doohickey thing. Yep, it's very prettiful.
Indeed.
I'm gonna send it to him, and then he's gonna figure out what he's supposed to do with it.
Yeah, because we're not quite sure. We put ours around our wrists, but.
Hey, babies. Hey, babies.
Bad word.
Bad word. Bad word. Yep, that's Bird World.
Yep.
You know it.
In Kyle talk.
Yep. And this is the stuff that you make the Shirley Temples with, because it's really yummy. Yep, right there.
Yay. And you put it in one of these.
Yep.
Yeah, there you go.
That's what it goes in. Okay, say bye.
Bye.